Hey everyone, welcome back to Paul's Q. Today I'm going to step into Red's Barbecue and Pizzeria's domain. I'm going to bake a pizza outside on the Pit Boss. The pie turned out excellent. I figure why not, let's go with it. Do a pizza. I'm getting the dough ready right now, so let's take a look. See where we're at. Well, the kids make pepperoni pizzas. The little guy ran away already. She's enjoying hers. Is it good? Yeah, of course it is. There's another one that the kids made. Pepperoni. We got dough, pepperoni, cheese. This one here is pepperoni and hot peppers and extra cheese. I'm gonna start getting another one prepared. With that dough right there. We'll pick back up when I'm ready to top it. Alright, there's our dough in our pan. Spread out. Let's get some sauce on it. I know I'm cheating, I'm using canned sauce. That's only because I don't have any homemade sauce right now at the moment. I have to make another batch of sauce. Soon, I'll be doing that. Don't think I'll make a video of that, but show you guys the sauce afterwards, definitely. Now you just want to spread the sauce around. Kind of even coat. Just like so. I know some people are probably going to criticize because they do it differently or whatever. Oh well, do it however you want. This is my house, my kids, and we're going to eat it and make it the way we want to make it. Just like you guys should do with your own. Make it your own, do it however you want. Have fun with it. Don't listen to, you got to do it this way, you got to do it that way. No, do it your way. Little cheese. There we go. Some cheese. Now, I was going to put a nice hot supersata on it, but I decided not to. My wife doesn't really like that. And this one here I'm going to make for myself and her with some hot peppers and pepperoni and cheese. Just like the other one that I have showed you already. Pepperonis. Put the pepperonis however you want. Use pepperoni if you want. Use whatever meat you decide you want to use, if you don't want to use pepperoni. I'm not a fan of vegetarian pizza, but if that's what you eat, to each their own, enjoy. There we go. I think I can squeeze another one over here. You can move them all around. Make room for more if you want. As I said, make it your own. If you're going to make it, do it your way. And a couple little pieces in the center there. Good. Oh, let's put some hot peppers before I forget. I'm just going to put a couple here and there. Not going to put them all over the pizza like the cheese. Couple slices might be a little spicier than others, depending on how I spread the peppers out. I really like the hot peppers. My wife doesn't mind them, but she doesn't like them to the extent that I do. So that's why I'm just spreading these ones out a little more spaced out than I did the last one. Good enough. She'll watch the video later and tell me I put too many. That's okay. I don't mind. Now we're going to top it with more cheese. Top it with the cheese. There we go. Let's get the rest of that cheese out of there on the pizza. Right on. There we go. Well, we'll pick back up when we're outside ready to put it on the grill. I got the pit warming up to temperature right now. Once it comes to 400, we'll throw this on. See you guys there. There we go. Pit boss. It's up to 10. $3.95. Set at 400. It's okay. It's just dropped out, or it's just feeding in the pellets. Not sure. Just went in the house to go get the pizza. There's the pizza we just put together, as you guys seen. There she is. There we go. Pizza's on. Okay, we'll see you guys in 20 minutes when we pick up. See you back then. Okay, so we're at the 20-minute mark. Let's see what we're looking at. Oh, look at that. That's looking really good. Nice and crisp. Nice and crisp. I'd say we're done. I'm gonna go get my gloves so I don't burn my hands. Pull this off. Pick back up when we're in the house. Well, there you have it. Pizza done on the Pit Boss. How about that? I'm just gonna slice into it now. I don't think I'm gonna taste it right now because it's still piping hot. I don't really feel like burning my mouth. But you guys see it can be done outside on the Pit Boss. If you have one, give it a shot. If you have a different kind of pit, you probably still can do it. Do it indirect. I don't see why not. And if you guys like what you've seen here, subscribe. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye, everybody.